Hey guys, there are many side hustle ideas out there if you're looking for one, but the one I'm talking about in this video is a bit strange to listen to. Could you ever imagine that you could get paid to talk to lonely people? Well, I'm sure an idea would never come to your mind, but the truth is a bit different. As people grow old, there is hardly any person that they can spend time talking to. Many people in their old age complain about feeling lonely unless that leads to other mental diseases, but not anymore. You can take up the opportunity and fill your pockets with a good amount of cash by just talking to them. This is a great side hustle for you if you can do it and must get paid to chat online. The process is simple, but most people don't know where and how to start. To give you a fair idea, I am here to guide you through the process of easy money making websites to talk to lonely guys for money. Chatting with lonely people is a great side hustle for teenagers and students these days. Some people enjoy talking to others, and if you too are someone with the same sort of interest, you can earn lots of money. Here, I have a list of platforms that will help you meet clients who need your time. So, let's get started. On number one, we have Rent a Friend.